Way they go. The Mansuria from the outside, outstanding. Rushing up, elusive win by the Red Conqueror on the outside. Jet Setter Slim. And entry number 5, this one is Canadian Girl. Elusive win, Conqueror, Jet Setter Slim alongside. And moving up is Canadian Girl in between runners. Rounding the far turn, elusive win by Hapaland, followed by Canadian Girl by the Jet Setter Slim is racing in third. Conqueror Sir Jeboy as they race the last 500. Elusive win. Jet Setter Slim on the outside. Canadian Girl down on the inside. Rushing up Queen Maker Conqueror Sir Jeboy Damansuria. Entering the last 200. It's the elusive win. Jet Setter Slim is on the outside. Fighting it out for the lead. Jet Setter Slim and elusive win down on the inside. It's Jet Setter Slim, elusive win, and nearing the finish line. Win Sir Jeboy, outstanding Canadian Girl, and for your Super 6,
9, 6, 7, 1, 5, 4 ating unofficial order of arrival crossing